cheesy spinach and corn grilled sandwich.
Hi, welcome to Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana. I'm Zai, and today we are going to make a very simple grilled sandwich recipe. It's called as cheesy spinach and corn grilled sandwich. Let's quickly run through the ingredients of this recipe. Grated processed cheese, blanched and chopped spinach, boiled corn kernels, white sauce, butter, chopped garlic, salt, white bread slices. To begin with, we'll first prepare the stuffing of the sandwich. For that, let's heat a non-stick pan, and to this non-stick pan we'll add some butter. Once the butter is melted, we'll add chopped garlic to the pan, and we'll saute this till the raw flavor of the garlic is gone. The garlic is now nicely sauteed. Let's add blanched and chopped spinach. Just saute it for a minute or so. Now, how do you blanch the spinach at home? What you need to do is just pluck the spinach leaves, put them in the boiling water, blanch them for around 30 to 40 seconds, and immediately put them in chilled water to avoid excess cooking. You can then use the spinach leaves as required. You can chop them, you can puree them, and you can use them. Okay, so the spinach leaves are nicely sauteed. Let's add some corn kernels. These are boiled corn kernels. You can even use tinned corn for that matter if you don't get fresh corn kernels. We'll add some seasonings, salt, and just mix it properly. Now it's time to add some white sauce. I have already prepared white sauce. Now how do you prepare this white sauce at home? You take 1 part of butter and 1 part of refined flour or maida. Just roast the maida in the butter till it gives nice aroma, and then add 10 parts of milk to it, and your white sauce will be ready. You can further thin it down by adding some more milk if required, but this is the standard ratio for the white sauce, 1:1:10. Okay, we'll add entire white sauce, give it a mix. So stuffing is now ready. We'll switch off the flame and we'll transfer it in a bowl. And to this stuffing, now we'll add the processed cheese. Mix it properly. We'll add some more cheese and mix well. So our stuffing for the sandwich is now ready. We'll keep it aside and we'll allow it to cool a little bit before we stuff it. By the time the mixture is getting cooled, I've heated a sandwich griller. We'll apply some butter on it. And now we'll take our bread slices and we'll butter all the bread slices. Now we'll place the stuffing and spread it evenly, and we'll cover it with another bread slice. Okay, so our sandwiches are now ready. Let's apply some butter on top. And now we'll place the sandwiches in the griller and grill them. Let's check if the sandwiches are grilled. Yes, they are nice and golden brown. Let's take them on the chopping board. And we'll cut them into fingers. Cheesy spinach and corn grilled sandwiches are ready. Serve them immediately.